In this quick guide, you'll learn how to unhide rows in Zoho Sheet so you can regain access to any data that has been hidden, whether accidentally or in a shared spreadsheet. Restoring rows is simple. Once you know where to look, begin by moving your attention to the top toolbar in your Zoho Sheet window. This is where all display and layout controls are located. Open the View menu, which sits alongside options like File and Insert. When the View menu expands, you'll see several tools designed to manage how your sheet looks. From here, locate the option called Hide and Unhide. Hovering over it reveals additional controls related to visibility. Since your focus is on bringing hidden rows back into view, choose the Unhide Rows option. The moment you select it, Zoho Sheet will restore all hidden rows in the active worksheet. If rows still do not appear, it may be due to filters that are currently applied. Filters can keep certain rows invisible even after unhiding them. Clearing or adjusting those filters usually resolves the issue and brings the missing rows back. Understanding these visibility tools helps you stay in complete control of your spreadsheet layout, especially when working with large or shared files. Being able to hide and unhide information quickly keeps your workspace organized and your data fully accessible. And that is all you need to unhide rows in Zoho Sheet with ease.